Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today we are finishing my work planner series for May. We're going to do the monthly calendar page using the Spring Allure sticker book by Live.Love.Posh. These are the stickers that we have left from the sticker set that I chose for this month. These are the pages we've done so far. This is the dashboard pages, which I am totally in love with. We've got the daily task pages, which are cute too. And then the journal page, which I'm also very much loving the aesthetic of this color combination. So the other thing, one thing I was thinking was, I've got this striped washi on this page and on this one, and I kind of want to bring it throughout. So I'm going to take a moment and I am going to put it on the daily task pages in the middle, just because I want it to continue to have that cohesiveness of, because you know I like to do my my whole month kind of matching. So let's put this off to the side and do the calendar page. And basically what I'm going to do is on these, I'm just going to add it, and I won't like record the whole thing. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing so it doesn't just automatically pop up there. So I'm just going to add it to the middle like this, and I'm going to stop it at the yellow washi. So I'm going to do like that on this one. Let me do the other ones and then I'll be right back. All right, I just did those pages. So they go like this. Yeah. Okay, so now I felt like they weren't, you know, like tied in enough to what we're doing on the other pages. So now I feel better about that. Okay, so let's do our monthly view page. And again, I do want to continue with this. And I'm wondering, I don't think I've ever done it down the middle of this page, but you know what? I'm just going to do it. Now I wonder if I should do it on the dashboard. I don't know. I'll reevaluate because I do love that page. I probably shouldn't mess with it at all. But you know me, sometimes I just can't leave well enough alone. And I just want to keep adding stuff to the pages, but I do love that page, so maybe I'll just leave it the way it is. Let's just start with this here. And I feel like this just kind of ties everybody together. Brings everything in. I'm going to go ahead and punch it. I really did not plan anything for this page yet. Let's see. Okay. These are the stickers we've got left. In my last one, I really tried to use this one, and I couldn't. Like, it just didn't fit. So maybe I'll find a way to fit it into this one some kind of way. I don't know. Or, you know what? It could go on my stats page. I could just save it for that. Let's see. I do want to do, let's do this one this way. I would leave just a little bit of space and do like that. And then this one, let's go this way, like that. And we can do the same thing over here. Let's have it going up here. And you know what, honestly, I haven't even been using this page much. At first I used to use it for like scheduling things, for like social media, but I'm using something else for that now, and so this one's just kind of for fun, I guess. Let's see, what do we want to do? I definitely want to use the girls. Let's use her right here next to this. She's just going to go there. And she's looking up at something, but I don't know what. We got to do something across here. Oh, and we've got flowers left too. Let's try one of these pretty flowers. Or should I go with a smaller one? Let me try a smaller one. Because I kind of don't want to overwhelm the page. Whoa. Oy. I'm going to move it down a little bit and put it like that. Okay. And then this one, I think I'm just going to slip it in here like this. Because I really wanted to use that page. Oh, and I just said I was going to use it on my stats page, and I forgot. How quickly I forget things. Oh, yeah. Get this out of the way here. All right. All right, I kind of like that there. That's cute. I feel like this is lacking something, but I don't know what. Let's put the butterfly here. I sort of wish this was a little higher. I don't like that stem showing right there. let's do this. I think I need to wipe out that notes right there. It's not going to stick until this is dry. There we go. Okay. And then I want this up here. Okay. I want to use the basket. The basket's beautiful. Where can the basket go? I think it's going to go right here. And I think I'm okay with it covering. Am I? I'm not. I'm not okay. I think it's going to go over here instead. I don't like the angle of the sticker itself. It's like kind of strange. Let's see. What can we put with it? How about this one? Nope. All right, this has a pretty peach that I think we need. I don't know where I want it though. Let me think. I am going to want to like spruce up the inside. Let's see what we got. I'm going to put the bugs here. And maybe a bee. And then do I have any more of the little bees? I do. There's an itty bitty one over here. Okay, okay. Let's see, we've got this. How will that look like just coming out the top? I think I like that. So it needs to be, let's see, how do I do this? If I want it like this, I gotta cut across this way. Ugh. I just cut that. I think that's okay. That's cute, actually. All right, came out better than I thought it would. And then this one, I think is not going anywhere. Okay, I actually like that. It's kind of cool. How about welcome? I need to add welcome somewhere. Got little bits and pieces everywhere. How about here? I'm gonna put this right here. I like that. Let's see. How about this? That would be a big bee for her. Almost rather the bee be over here instead of this basket. Let me take the basket off. I like this one here better. Take that off. Let's put this one here. I like that better. And then this basket, I think I'm going to have it up here, but like cut off. Let's do that. I'm going to cut it like that. Let's do like that. And then cut this. Okay. The honey. That's cute. Let's put the honey up here. Let's put the honey with a little bee by it. That is a big bee. Is there a smaller one? This one's a little smaller. Okay. Now what I want to do is, I actually think I'm good on stickers with that. Where's my tweezers? There's some on here. All right, so I want to decorate and bring color to the middle. And I think what I want to do, what do I want to do? Let's see, over here. Hold on a second. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to do a few of these little, the little dot decorations that I've been doing on the other pages. I'm going to make a few of those little clusters and I'm going to spread them around the page, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I know you might think I'm crazy, but I just took like everything off. It wasn't going with the vibe, you know, like this vibe is like, I don't know. I just love this page so much that this one was just looking kind of crazy to me. And I decided, you know what? I don't like the direction it's going. So I'm taking it all off. And then this right here is kind of bugging me. So I am going to cut this so that it looks like it's behind this line here, tucked in. Let's see if that works. It did. Okay. So I don't know why, it was like just too much for me. So I'm going in a different direction. I got rid of almost everything that was on the page, and I'm going to add some date stickers up here. Let's see. I don't like this one. Give me this one. So I'm going to cover these like this. You know, sometimes it's okay to... Honestly, I walked away and then I went to, I have something in the crock pot and I went and mixed that. And then when I came back, I was like, you know what? I'm just really not liking how it's looking. So I think I'm going to use this light purple. And this is the Agenda 52 Paper Studio book. And those fit perfectly in there. All right, so let's start with that. Just kind of transforming, going in a different direction because I did not like the direction that that was going in at all. I just wanted to look a little more put together, classy, not cluttered. And it was just looking a bit too cluttered. Sometimes less is more. I have to remind myself of that. I get carried away just putting stuff on the page, like, oh, this will look good here, this will look good there. And then, you know, half an hour later, I look at it and I'm like, that does not look good at all. It actually looks pretty bad. All right, let's hope I don't hate this one the way I'm going now. All right. Okay, now I'm going to put stickers on the dates. And I was trying to decide if I wanted to do, because they happen to have that coral color. So like we could either do the coral or we could do the light purple. Or we could do both. I'm going to try doing both. So then this one would be 21. Never done this before. Why not? I guess that can be what makes it look so different, right? Let's do 19. All right, I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to pause the video and add the rest of the dates and you guys can see how it looks. All right, ta-da! I like that so much better than where it was going to begin with. So I think I'm pretty much good with it. The only thing I'm going to do is add a purple quote. And it kind of matches, you know, the lettering in the days of the week. So I'm just going to cover that a little bit just so that you don't see the line right through it. What is you guys' favorite white pen? Because this one works okay, but it's like really finicky. And you can easily wipe it off until it's, obviously until it's dry, but there. This one's the Jelly Roll, which works good. I just don't know if there's a better one out there. Maybe you guys know. Okay, so I'm calling this one my crap. Not my crap. I'm calling this one my less is more spread. Less is definitely more in this one. Okay. I'm not loving it, but it's okay. I'm leaving it, and that's it. No more taking stuff off the page. Like a crazy person. I don't know how many times I do that, you guys. Like, a lot. Way more than I should. I'll create a page, and then I'm like, take everything off. I don't like how it's going. Okay. So let's see, it goes like this and like this. And let's do a little flip through of all of our pages and see how our work planner, this is the monthly layout. Oh, I forgot to turn my light back on. Sorry guys. Turn that back on. There. Hopefully that makes it a little brighter. Okay, so there is the monthly view, the beautiful dashboard page, the daily task pages, and the journal page. All right, so that's it for this series. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys will watch all of them, and if not, that's okay. Thanks anyway. Thanks for being here, and I'll talk with you guys in the comments. Bye.